I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting try on haul to share with all of you. It's a mixed haul, so it's a combination of a few different stores. I have Abercrombie new arrivals to share with all of you, along with Old Navy, a mix of J.Crew factory, and some red dress boutique. So a little bit of everything in this haul, from casual finds to some dressy options into some workwear. So a little nice mix of everything. Of course, it'll all be linked out down below in that description box in case you want to check any of it out. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like the mixed try on hauls. I love doing these every now and then for you guys, as long as you like to see them, and I think they're super fun. So let's get right into it, and definitely comment below which outfit was your favorite. All right, here's an overview of the first dress. So this is the red dress portion of the haul, and I absolutely adore this darling floral dress. It has so many details on it that I absolutely love. It has the smocked detail. I love the neckline and like the little frills throughout this dress, which make it just so girly and pretty. You could totally wear this dress now and transition it into fall time for so many occasions. From the office, you could wear it for work. You could wear it to a baby shower, bridal shower, any kind of celebration. I think it would be so beautiful, and it would also just be cute for like out to dinner or even Sunday best. So definitely such a pretty one. I am 5'7". This is where it's hitting on me. I feel like it's a really great length. And then we have to talk about these shoes, because these are a definite designer look for less for the Waffler Randall heels, which I do own, and they are one of my top worn pairs of heels. They're so beyond comfortable. But I was so excited to find this look for less, as some of you have been asking if I found anything that's similar but less expensive. And these are like the best find that I have been able to check out that would be similar. And these look very similar, and they're really comfortable as well. And they have a lot of the similar details, and they just elongate your legs. These are only $52, while the other ones are like way more. So definite savings on these, and they're so cute. So I love how they styled with this outfit. But you could totally wear this dress with even just flat sandals. I just glammed it up, but you could totally make it even more for like every day if you wanted to as well. And then bag, I have on my new bag, and then my bow earrings, my butterfly necklace, and my usual jewelry. So I will include all the details below, along like with the outfit number, for all the other details of the outfit. Okay, and then I just want to quickly show you guys how it looks with the sandals. So if you want to make it more casual, you totally can. I just have on my studded sandals. These are under 50, and I think they style really nicely. So you could wear it like right now, just on a casual summer day with these sandals, or even as you go into fall. I think these would also work as well, like with any of your favorite sandals. Up next is this corduroy floral dress, which is so fun and different for going into fall time. So you could wear it now for summer with some sandals, or swap out the sandals for some booties when it gets a little bit cooler out. I think these booties are so cute. And then I just topped it with a hat that I got recently, and then I just a brown tone bag, or I would just like go neutral. But I will say the sizing on this dress, I will say it runs a little bit more on the generous side. So if you're in between, I definitely would consider sizing down. But yeah, I definitely wanted to point out that it is like a boxier fit dress, but it's super fun, so cute and darling, and I'm loving all the corduroy and the floral combined together. Up next is this really beautiful midi dress in this deep wine color, and it has a tie-waisted detail that you can either knot or bow. I just added the bow, and then it has the fully functioning button detail. This would be so perfect for a variety of different places. You could wear it to work because it's a great length, and it's so comfortable. There's a look at the back. And then this would also be cute for like Sunday best, or just a variety of different places. So I paired it with my braided heels, and then my neutral bag, and same accessories. And then I just added my pearl headband. And I just think it really came together really beautifully, very feminine, very pretty. And I'd say this is running very true to size. It's really comfortable, and this does come in a bunch of other color options. So there are a few others to choose from in case you want to check out the other colors. Okay, up next is this baby doll dress. It's all over florals. It's just so dreamy. I love the puff sleeve, and the whole silhouette is just beyond gorgeous. I say it's running true to size, and I just styled it with a little pop of rosy pink, and then I did my studded little heeled sandals. And then the back is smocked. I still have my strapless bra on, so it totally still works with that, so you don't have to worry. But yeah, the back is very simple and has that smocking. This would be so cute for out to dinner, a date night, out with your friends, even during the daytime with some casual sandals. I think this would style both from like day to night, so it is really cute. And I also finished off the look with my little Dior hair clip that I've had, and I think it just adds a little extra girly element to the outfit. And next dress from Red Dress is this beautiful plaid printed dress. So it is kind of like more of a midi on me. If you're shorter than me, of course, it'll be like a maxi length, but this is definitely even hemmable if you want it a little bit shorter, because the bottom doesn't have any detail, so you totally could do that if you also wanted to shorten it up a little bit. But I love the length, and it has smocked detailing, very stretchy and comfy, has the self tie bow detail. You could kind of adjust it to where you want the bows placed. I tend to put my bows closer to the front of the strap area, but you could also put them like right on top of your shoulders if you didn't want it so close to the front. So you could customize that totally. And it is a really nice fit. It's well made. It is lined, and I would say true to size on this one. It's very forgiving, and then the back also has that smocking carried through. All right, up next are some pieces I got in recently from Abercrombie. So this first one is a cute baby doll dress. It's navy. It does come in a few other color options, but again, love this neckline and love the whole print. So it makes it perfect to wear now and later. And the length, I'd say it's a little bit shorter than I would like to have had it, maybe a little bit longer. But what's great about Abercrombie is that they come in multiple lengths. So a lot of their pieces come in regular to petite to long length. So I'm wearing a regular length and I'm 5'7". So I probably should have just gone with like the taller length, but overall though, it's super cute. I'll just like wear it more like a fun little, more like mini dress. And then the back is smocked, and I just have my strapless bra on with this, and it totally still works. And then I have my neutral bag, well, I call rosy pink and neutral, and then my pearl sandals. But overall, I say this dress like fits true to size as far as like width and everything. I just think that as far as length, it's obviously gonna be individual to how you want to style it. Okay, I love that Abercrombie brought this dress silhouette in some fall tones, because I got a dress similar to this. Actually, I think it's pretty much the exact silhouette. I had it in blue floral, and it was one of the comfiest summer dresses. And I'm so excited that they brought it in the fall tones. I love this burgundy, and this will be beautiful to, again, wear now, wear later, just depending on how you accessorize. I added my Coach bag I recently got from Nordstrom. I'll see if this is still available. And then I added my brown studded sandals. So if I wanted to just like wear this now, if it's a little bit warmer, you could wear studded sandals. You could even wear cute booties as it gets cooler, and then layer it up with like a cardigan or jacket. And this is so comfortable. I can't stress enough how comfortable this is. It's stretchy. Comes in a few other color options, but I'm wearing my regular size, extra small. And a look at the back, it is smocked again in the back. All right, I'm gonna mix up the rest of this haul because I have things from Old Navy, J.Crew Factory, and then a few other Abercrombie pieces. I'm just gonna mix them all because I feel like some of the outfits go well like mixing them. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So this first top is an Old Navy find. It's so pretty with the pin tucking and the crochet lace detail. This would also transition well into fall just by styling it with a cardigan over top or a jacket. This is like a soft sheer fabric, although even though it's sheer, I mean, very slightly see-through. As long as you wear neutral undergarments, you are good to go. And then I just have it again with my butterfly necklace. And then these jeans, which I've been sharing a lot in my Walmart try-on hauls recently. These are so good. And I love the more boyfriend silhouettes. Okay, and then these shoes are amazing. They remind me of my Margot blush pink bow mules, but these are definitely a fraction of the price. These feel already like first impression wise pretty comfortable, so I'm really pleased with the comfort because I was a little worried about that, but they are really nice and they fit true to size for me. I'd say if you have a wider width foot, I would size up a half size, but these are really beautiful. They did come in a few other color options, but I love that bow. They add that like girly detail, but still remaining very classic, and I like the tone on tone. So it kind of just remains very streamlined. And these will be great for like work and just like casual days. They just look really cute with dresses, jeans, all the things and your workwear pants. And then I just have it styled with my tote bag and my scarf and all my usual accessories. Okay, up next is a great, again, I feel like everything's just perfect for transitional. Wear this top now. You could even wear it to work if it's a more casual work environment. This is like a gauzy material. It's so pretty. I love this rosy pink. I believe I did see this come in a few other color options. And then I just styled it with my white jeans I already had from Express. These have just been a go-to in my wardrobe. I'm gonna check. I hope they're still available. They should be. And then I styled it with my Walmart sandals. These, I found them on major sale right now. I think they're like the best price I've seen them. And they are definitely like Tory Burch vibes, but for way less. And they're more comfortable than Tory Burch in my opinion. And then this is my newer bag I got from Nordstrom Rack recently. This is by the brand Floral. So this is the cutest little bucket tote bag. I have been looking for a bucket bag and they're kind of hard to find, like a nice classic silhouette, and this is such a good one. And the quality on this one feels amazing, and it's like heavily discounted because it's like a Nordstrom Rack find. So you kind of get that like whole designer look, but you don't have to pay full price, which is really nice. So I love carrying it like on the crook of my arm. I've taken this out a few times already, and it's just such a nice bag. It just feels so luxe, and it fits quite a bit as well. All right, up next, I found these Gingham leggings, which I thought were so fun. And at first I wasn't so sure about them, but once I styled them, I'm like, these are just so cute. Like, I could totally picture this like outfit wearing it to like going to the farmer's market or just athleisure, like just running errands. So I styled it, like I kind of brought out the brown tones and did this oversized sweatshirt. So the sweatshirts are Old Navy, the leggings are from J.Crew factory, and then I have my Keds that I've had in my wardrobe. They're so pretty with this whole look. I think the whole tone and color palette just like really worked well together. And then of course I had to do my headband with the same tones from the headband with the sweatshirt and whatnot. And then I did my cream bag, but this sweatshirt I did size up because I definitely wanted it to be oversized, and especially like tunic length. So I did make it more oversized by sizing up. And then the leggings, I'd say, run very true to size. And they're more of a cotton material. I thought at first they were gonna be like a, you know, like your regular workout legging material, but these are definitely just like cotton, I would say. So they're just more like a casual legging. So I definitely would not work out in something like this, but they're just cute and fun for casual wear. But yeah, I'd say everything's running true to size, except I just sized up in the sweatshirt, and this is so cute even to style with other workout leggings. If the gingham isn't your thing, this would look so cute. Just swap it out for some solid, and then you have like a totally also like super cute neutral outfit. Love this next look. It's very chic and a lot of good wardrobe staples, like this skirt. It has a little slit on the side. This would be so cute to wear to the office. It even has an elastic band, so it's really comfortable. And this did come in, I think, 2 other colors, but I got the dotted material, and this is like a nice brown, so it is really versatile to mix and match with so many other neutrals in your wardrobe. And then I styled it with this scallop cami, which is so pretty. I love the feminine details. And then I paired it with, this is from Abercrombie, this Moto Jacket. Is such a pretty, soft, creamy white. It is definitely not your like stark white, but this is so perfect for topping off a lot of your outfits, making it a little bit more edgy. Something like with the girly detail here, I love like mixing that little bit of edgy detail with that girly detail. And then I just styled it with pumps and my YSL bag, and then I did my Miranda Fry jewels, like my necklace. This is a charm that's in their new collection along with the chain. And then I styled it with my pearl hoops, which I got like a year ago, and I love them so much. Okay, up next, I was putting together this outfit for this weekend because I'm going to a birthday party, and I figured I would share it because it is so darling, and I love this combo together. So I got this top quite a while ago from Express, but I believe they still have it, and it comes in quite a few colors, and it is so pretty with the bow shoulder detail. And I styled it with this skirt I already had. I want to say I did see this at a few retailers on major sale because it's a Love Shack skirt, but I got this like back in November of 2021, and I believe they still have a few sizes in stock. I'm going to check for you guys and link it up, but this still works. Even though I got it in like the winter time, it still totally works for spring and summer. I've gotten quite a bit of use out of it, and like all my other Love Shack skirts. So darling with this top. So yeah, I size up in Love Shack skirts because I want to add like a little bit extra length because they do tend to run on the shorter side. And then I styled it with my new Dior bag, and then these bow sandals, which again, I'm gonna check for you guys to see if I could find them in stock, because I've had them all through spring and summer, and these have been really comfortable, and I thought the bows kind of tied with the whole look. Okay, up next we got this darling pajama set. So this comes in a couple different varieties of silhouettes. So I got the cami. It also comes with shorts you could get, or like a kind of like a capri. It's like a wide leg. It's just so comfy and cute. It's kind of hard to sometimes find like really pretty girly PJs like this, and this is a really nice one. I'm loving the whole color palette. It kind of has like a little scallop detail here, and it is just so cute and comfy. I'd say the both pieces run true to size. I would say to size up in the cami if you don't want it super cropped. Maybe just give it a little extra length. You could totally do that. But yeah, otherwise so pretty. And like I said, you could do either the shorts or the pants. Up next is this really pretty Swiss dot puff sleeve tee. So you could really kind of dress this up or down, just because that Swiss dot really elevates the whole look of it. It kind of has a twist detail on the side there as well. This is not see-through. I mean, I would still of course do neutral undergarments, but it's definitely not see-through. And I just styled it with my Walmart denim shorts that I just love. I've had them for years, so good. And then my other Walmart pearl sandals. I had these in white, and then I loved them so much that I just grabbed them in the taupe color because I thought they would transition nicely into fall time. So I thought they paired really nicely, like the pearls with the classic white. Looks really pretty together. And then, oh, my necklace is actually kind of hiding right under the shirt, but I have on my Miranda Fry heart charm necklace and neutral bag. But I would say this top overall true to size. I could also see this as like a casual workwear outfit with your favorite dress pants. All right, so that was it for my mixed pre-fall try on haul. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments with the outfit number that was your absolute favorite. I always love hearing your favorite, and let me know which try on haul for fall you guys want to see next. All right, I'm gonna end today's video here. You can check out the description box for all the links, as well as my social media outlets. I have an Instagram, TikTok. You can find a lot more on those, which I'll have all below. I'll also have a sign up to my newsletter below as well. But I'm gonna end today's video here. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.